Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check laptop warranty on GIGABYTE G7. To check your warranty, you should get to the GIGABYTE website. So find in the browser, go to GIGABYTE warranty check. You can just type that in. So we'll go straight into the warranty check app. And you can open the online warranty check. Then let's go to quick search, I think, because I don't want to create an account and I need to enter the serial number of my laptop, and the serial number is on the bottom of your laptop. So it's right here. I'm just gonna picture it so I can easily type it in. Then let's type that right in. By the way, on the serial number, you may notice that there is a like S/N colon, which just stands for serial number. But then after the colon, there still will be SN, which you actually need to type in because it's a part of the serial number for some reason. And you can see that my warranty period is up until 2026 May 12th. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.